expensive. I'm sorry. No money, you cannot buy. If you don't have money, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. That is 20,000. Thousand. That is 20,000 won. It's very expensive. Yeah, I'm sorry, but there's no discount. No, that is 20, 20. 20,000. Okay. Who wants burger? Burger for 20,000 won. Hey, you didn't pay for the burger. You are a shoplifter. What is a shoplifter? What is shoplifter? Do you know what is shoplifter? A shoplifter is someone who steals things in the